Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. Kind of a neat little graphic, but very easy to draw. And the only reason I decided to make a video is just a couple of things that make it so much easier. Draw an ellipse and put it in the center of the page. Let's make it 12 inches. Control D and make a duplicate and make the next one 6. Make a duplicate of that, Control D, and shift select the other circle and hit L. Control D and make a duplicate of that. Shift select the other circle, the outside, and hit R. I must not have done it. So R, put it to the right. You don't have to group them together. Control D to duplicate it. It's going to rotate from the center, and we're going to rotate it 90 degrees. Then all you have to do is take your virtual segment delete key and delete these lines. And you can already see that bubble. Now, I'm going to group these together, Control G. I'm going to take my Smart Fill tool. I'm going to change the color this time to that turquoise I like. You know what? Let's do the orange. Then take your interactive fill tool and we're going to put a little darkness on that edge. Might be too much. We can bring this in. Maybe too much. And then because we group this together, we can delete it or move it out of the way. Now that center is in the center of the page, so I can Control D, Alternate C to use my hotkey, and then you're going to rotate it 90 degrees. Control D, Control D. It's that easy. It really looks spectacular with a black background because it looks like those parts are kind of going away into the distance. And you could do this with numerous of different shapes. Let's just play with it. That didn't take very long. And this is why I didn't delete that. It's grouped together so I can hit P, which put it in the center of the page. Let's play around with this. Let's take a 3-point curve line and let's go from that node all the way over to that node. But then, yeah, I'm not going to be able to do that. Let's go from that node to here, and then just give a little bit of, try to, you know what? I'm going to go like here and try to mimic that other line a little bit. And you could do 3 lines. You know, there's no difference. Let's use that turquoise this time and fill in that and that. Now you can grab this. I still want to, you know what? I'm going to go the opposite way. I'm going to put it black to there. And we could put black, let's put black on both ends. So we're going to put black on both ends. And then we can put that turquoise in the middle. Yeah, it's too much of a straight line, but we could adjust that. That doesn't look too bad. I'm going to put another turquoise, like right there. Not a big fan. But anyway, then you could do this one and put a little black in that side. Kind of looks like a hump. You know, it really looks totally different in color. Let's put a little more green right here. And then bring in the black a little bit more. Maybe move this one a little bit more. Let's just see what it looked like. So we still have this group together, so we can nudge it out of the way. I'd go ahead and Control G now to group it, Control D to duplicate, Alternate C to have it rotate from the center. And then you're going to have, I mean, look at the difference. You never really know what you're going to get until you rotate it. Pretty cool. Easy to draw. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.